Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon storefront page. So let's get started. So here we are, and the first thing that we would need to do is go into your browser, and from here you will need to type in affiliate-program.amazon.com, and then you would be prompted into this website wherein you can log in or sign up as an Amazon associate. So from here, we need Amazon Associates because this is a way for us to build our storefront here in Amazon. And there is also Amazon Influencer, which is basically a branch of Associates. But in Influencer, you would need some qualifications, like some audience, in order for you to get in. But in this tutorial, we'll be using Amazon Associates. So from here, I suggest before you click on sign up is that you want to read this one first below so that you would have some kind of idea on what Amazon Associates is, especially if you're a complete beginner. So you can sign up, you can recommend, and then you can earn. Just as simple as that. So you want to click here on sign up, and basically you'll just be providing details about yourself and so on right here. As you can see, the website and mobile app list, profile, start using associate centrals, and so on. These are the steps that you would need to take. And after you have completed this and you are now officially an Amazon Associates, you should be able to log in here into your dashboard. And from here, you can see this option right here where you can customize your Amazon storefront page. And that is basically it on how you can do it. So thank you for watching.